we talk about how to manifest anything without taking any actions. Okay, let me correct this. Without taking any conscious actions. So first of all, let's understand what does it mean by conscious actions. Okay, I'm giving you one example. Let's say you have any kind of skin problem and you want to manifest a beautiful clear skin, right? So this is your simple desire, beautiful clear skin. Okay, so now for manifesting beautiful skin, you are trying different kind of home remedies, or you are going to the doctor, or you are applying any kind of anti-acne products, whatever. So if you are consciously trying to manifest your desire, if you are constantly taking any kind of actions and steps and trying any kind of conscious efforts, then this is called conscious actions, because you know that whatever you are doing, you are trying to manifest your desire. So you are aware of your actions, you are aware whatever you are trying to do to manifest your desire. So this is called conscious efforts or conscious actions. Now let's talk about the non-action manifestation. If you have heard about it before, then guys, non-action manifestation doesn't mean that there is not any single action in this process, right? But you are not taking any kind of actions, conscious actions in non-action manifestation. Okay, now let me clear this. First of all, this process, non-action manifestation, includes one powerful technique in this, and that's act as if technique. So as you already know, that acting as if means you are pretending that you have already your desire, you are feeling your desired reality right now in this moment, you are experiencing the end result in your inner self, in your mind, right? So guys, you are already feeling that you have whatever you wanted in your life, right? So you won't take any conscious action to get what you want, because you have it already and your mind, your inner self has accepted this. So this is your reality. Now, for the fact the manifestation has not come yet, right? But you are not taking any kind of conscious actions, and only then universe will create circumstances and opportunities in your life to get what you want. So let's take an example, guys. Let's say you want to manifest a relationship, and you already know and you already feel that you are in the beautiful relationship right now. So you won't take any kind of conscious action because you have what you want already, right? A beautiful relationship, a perfect partner, right? So now what will happen? Universe will create the opportunities for you, and any kind of random people come into your life, or you go to any random place or any random party, or any kind of random thing will happen in your life that will lead you to your desire. So guys, you went that place where you find your partner, but you didn't know that you will find your partner, right? So this is really random and it's natural. You are not aware of it. You don't know that whatever you are doing is leading you to your desire. So this is called an inspired action. And in everyone's life, the inspired actions comes by the universe, but you have to stop thinking consciously about when it is going to come and when it will happen or where it will happen. Any kind of doubts and questions, you have to stop thinking about it. So guys, just feel that your desire is already here, it's already yours. Feel the happiness, feel the joy, and you won't take any kind of conscious action to get it because you have it already, right? And then you will take inspired actions, and then it will lead you to your desire. So this is that simple. Now guys, if you're thinking about if you can manifest money with non-action manifestation, because we all have the belief that we have to work so hard to get money, to earn money, right? So can you manifest money by non-action manifestation? Well, yes, definitely, because you are feeling your desired reality right now. You are feeling and believing that you have the money already. You are feeling that you have the all abundance. You are wealthy right now. So you won't take any conscious action, but the opportunities will create it in your life. You get any kind of job offer, or you get any kind of idea. You get any kind of intuition. Your inner self will guide you. The universe is guiding you through your intuition. So any kind of random thing will happen in money, and then you will manifest money. So you will take actions, but not consciously. You will take inspired actions, and then you manifest money, you manifest wealth. So this is how it works, and it works in every desire. You can manifest any single desire, anything by non-action manifestation, but there would be an inspired action, not the conscious action. So guys, I tried to explain this as simply as possible, and I tried my best to explain this concept. So guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video and you found it helpful, then please do like and stay connected with me for the future videos. And till then, keep going with the law of attraction, stay happy, stay blessed, and good vibes to all.